So we just tie it on like that. Keep the lip down. Keep the lip down. Okay.
No.
Okay, you know what? How you can help? You take your finger and you hold.
No,
keep
look
your
up
head there.
Look up straight.
There, and you hold like
Hold your
the
lip.
lip like that. Good. Thank you. Keep it like that. Okay. Good job. Good job. Mommy will get this string around it.
She's moving her tongue to block it. Hey.
Okay. Stay there. Keep their hand there. Keep your hand there.
You're gonna lose your tooth.
You're doing awesome.
You can see the guilt in her eyes.
Guilt. Okay, just relax. Good. So we want the tooth to come out this way. So you're gonna go like this. Okay? And I'm gonna tie this to Molly. Molly, come.
What?
You know that. Chloe, you go away, please. Stop. Stay down. Molly, sit. Good girl. Okay. No! Is it out? It is! Here's a Kleenex, sweetie. Here's a Kleenex. Aww. Let's see. Show Daddy your smile.
Good dog.
Your smile.
Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, sweetness.
There you go.